So this is that filter all dried out. There's little stones in there. There's one there. There's some there. So now this is dried out, I should be able to break all this into powder. It's broken out, looks like glass. Yeah, I'll break it into powder and then I can sieve that, and any big bits will stay in there. I find that's the easiest way to do it. So I got rid of all the cotton wool that was in there, and now we're just left with this dust. So I'm going to sieve this now and then get all the big bits out of it. You can see the little stones a bit clearer now. I'm going to sieve this now and see what's left. Okay, I've sieved it all now. That's powder, and that's what we've got left. So what I'm going to do is just get my glasses on and pick them out, put them into a little pot, and then throw this all away. So I've got about 99% of the stones now, and this is them here. I didn't realise how many there was, but there was a lot. So I'm going to give them a clean next, and then test them, see if there's any diamonds in there. I wouldn't have thought so, but there might be one or two. This is what's left. So that can all go in the bin now. So I'll give this a clean next and get this in the bin. So these are the stones I had left over. These are all the ones that wasn't clear. We've got some garnet maybe. We've got red, we've got blue, we've got pink, we've got yellow. We've got all different colours in there. So what I do is I'll put them into different jars for the different colours, and I've been collecting them up. Well, these ones, these are all the white stones. Not one of them was a diamond. Not one of them. Normally get one or two, but there wasn't none there. They're all glass or moissanite. But here, I should imagine there's a few little precious stones in there. Nothing major though, because they're not very big. But if I collect them up, I mean these ones, I'll collect these up and put them into a glass jar and put them in auction, and they sell well, even though they're not diamonds. So these I'm yet to sell. I've not tried to sell these yet, but I will do. So that concludes the stones out the filters.